What if I told you that in just 2 real estate deals, one of my students added 100,000 to her net worth, starting with no experience and using none of her own money? Sound too good to be true? Stick around because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps we use to make it happen and how you can do the same by the year end of 2025. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Korianne, your real estate mentor, and I help busy professionals and beginners create financial independence through real estate investing. If you are looking for real world strategies that actually work, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing the blueprint one of my students followed to gain 100,000 in equity from a single wholesale property project. Whether you are just starting out or already investing, this case study will give you the practical steps to reach 100,000 net worth milestone by 2025. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, be sure to like this video please. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my step-by-step real estate strategies. Let's break this story down step by step. Step number 1 is find the right deal. My student found a wholesale property listed for $269,000, and that includes the closing costs from a wholesale real estate investor. The property was undervalued and needed some work, but had great potential. It was located in the neighborhood with a solid comparable and high after repair value. It's called ARV. The tip for you here is focus on finding distressed properties in appreciating neighborhoods. You can do this by using platforms like Refinance.com, Zillow.com, or by looking for the wholesale property listings in your local area. Connecting with wholesale investors who earn assignment fees is another effective strategy. Step number 2 is secure the funding. Now here is the important part. My student didn't use her own money. She partnered with a private money lender. This means someone else funded the cost of the property and the renovations in exchange for a share of the profits. The tips here is don't let lack of money stop you from real estate investing. Learn how to pitch deals to private lenders. Show them the numbers, the plans, and the timeline. Step number 3 is rehab the property. This property needed some serious updates. A brand new roof, new kitchen countertop and bathroom upgrades, interior and exterior painting, new AC units in and out, new fences, and removals of large trees near the property line. It also needs updated fixtures and lighting throughout the home. All of that came out to be about $41,000, including carrying costs over the 3 months rehab period. Step number 4, see cash out refinance for profit. Once the property was fixed up, she applied for a cash out refinance. 2 separate appraisals came back. One at $425,000, another one is $404,000. The bank averaged the two, giving the property value of after repair value of $414,500. Her total investment, include purchase and rehab costs, was about $310,000. That means the deal created $100,000 in equity. Step number 5, equity split and profit strategy. Since she used private money, she agreed to split the equity profit 50-50 with the lender, so her personal gain was about $50,000 in equity. But here is the key. She's now planning to repeat this process with another property before the end of 2025. That means she's on track to add $100,000 to her net worth within a year. The lesson and the takeaway. you don't need your own money to invest in real estate. What you need is knowledge, strategy, and the ability to find deals. Partnering smartly can still create incredible value. Even with a 50-50 split, my student gained $50,000 in equity from one project. Real estate builds net worth faster than saving, don't you think? In just a few months, she earned what may take years to save in a traditional job. Repeatable system. Once you do one deal successfully, you can repeat the process and scale. You gain some knowledge, right? So your action plan here is learn how to analyze deals, find off-market opportunities, network with private lenders, work with a mentor who done it before, take consistent actions. You can start with just one deal, create a snowball effect for your wealth. If my student can do it, so can you. If this story inspired you and you want to start your own journey to 100,000 net worth through real estate investing, please give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao! Hello! Machu Pichu. Oh wow.
Dạ vô không?